Hey there, campers! Here's how to get bobbleheads in Outbound. You can collect bobbleheads as decorative items for your camper van's dashboard. To find their blueprints, head to this icon right here just north of the northern bridge in the starting area. It's a vending machine called a Cap and Snap. Before you go there, make sure to collect some bottle caps, as you'll need them to use the vending machine. You can find bottle caps at key locations throughout the map, or earn one each time you pick up a water bottle. Once you've gathered some caps, head to the location and you'll find the vending machine. Be sure to pick up the free bottle cap located to the left of the machine before you start. After that, interact with the vending machine. Insert a bottle cap and spin the large knob on the right side to receive a random bobblehead. If there's a specific bobblehead you're after and you don't get it right away, simply keep inserting more bottle caps until you eventually collect the ones you want. To place your bobbleheads, set up camp, and move to your camper van's dashboard. Open the Build menu and go to the Decor tab. There you'll find the cat icon, which contains all of your unlocked bobbleheads. Simply select one and place it in one of the designated dashboard slots. You can display up to 3 bobbleheads on your dashboard at a time. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.